Okay, students, today we will discuss the seventh lesson of solid state, that is defects or imperfections in solids. Why this? Why these defects and or imperfections take place in solids? This is due to heating or due to the crystallization, fast crystallization, etc. situations, these defects will arise. Due to these defects, mechanical stress, electrical activity, density, optical properties like properties may change. Okay, so defects are classified mainly into two types. These defects are mainly classified into two types. They are point defects, pointer defects, and second one, line defects. Line defects. Of course, point defects arises in the lattice sides. Okay, if large number of lattice points in a line, that means in a plane, okay, displace or misplace, then this is called a line defect. Of course, now we will discuss only point defects in second year. Point defects are again divided into three types. They are impurity defects, then stoichiometric defects, and then non-stoichiometric defects. Okay. Next, stoichiometric defects are again divided into four types. Stoichiometric defects are again divided into four types. They are Schottky defect, Schottky defect, Schottky, Schottky defect, Frenkel defect, next, vacancy defect, and then interstitial defect. Okay, so stoichiometric defects are again divided into four types: Schottky defect, Frenkel defect, vacancy defect, and interstitial defect. Non-stoichiometric defects are again divided into two types: metal excess defect, and metal deficiency defect. Okay, these are two types of non-stoichiometric defects: Schottky defect and Frenkel defect. These two are observed in ionic crystals or ionic solids. Vacancy defect and interstitial defect, these are observed in non-ionic solids. So this is classification of defects in solids. Now we will discuss one by one. Impurity defect. What is impurity defect? If some impurity is doped in a crystal, then the properties of that crystal changes. Okay, so we will discuss impurity defect with an example. If impurity is doped, doping means addition of impurity to a pure substance. Impurity is doped in a crystal. In a crystal, it is called impurity defect. It is called impurity defect. Right? Example. Take a NaCl crystal. Take a NaCl crystal. So in NaCl crystal, Na plus, Cl minus, Na plus, Cl minus, Cl minus, Na plus, Cl minus, Na plus, Na plus, Cl minus, Na plus, Cl minus ions are present. Okay. So arrangement will be like this. When strontium chloride SrCl2 is doped, when SrCl2 is doped in the crystal, then what happens? We know that in strontium chloride Sr plus 2 ions are present. Sr plus 2 ions are present. If these Sr plus 2 ions enter into the crystal, in order to neutralize the charges, so two Na plus ions, two positive charges are there in Sr plus 2, and in Na plus only one positive charge is present. So if one Sr plus 2 is doped in crystal like this, Sr plus 2. So here one Na plus ion becomes a vacant. Okay. So here equalization of positive and negative charges takes place. So positive charges and negative charges are equal. Right. If one Sr plus 2 is doped in a crystal, how many vacancies are present? One vacancy are present. That means if in a crystal monovalent cations are present, and if that crystal is doped by bivalent cations, then number of impurity ions is equal to number of cationic vacancies, or number of in this case number of Sr plus 2 ions, is equal to number of vacancies, number of cationic vacancies. Okay, right? So what happens to the crystal if such a type of impurity defect takes place? Okay, here as a positive vacancy is present, the electrical conductivity increases. Electrical conductivity increases. Electrical conductivity increases. Next, density changes. Density changes because mass of Na plus and mass of Cr plus 2 are different. So density is directly proportional to mass. Density is equal to mass by volume. So density changes. Density changes. Okay. In the same way, another example is. Okay. Say this is example 1. Next example 2. Doping of cadmium chloride. Doping of cadmium chloride CdCl2 in AgCl crystal. In AgCl crystal. Okay. So this is about impurity defects. And a question may be given like this in impurity defect. How many vacancies are formed? How many vacancies are formed when how many vacancies are formed when 10 power minus 3 mole percent 10 power minus 3 mole percent of Sr plus 2 ions are doped in NaCl. Okay. So if a question is given like this, how to get a solution? So number of Sr plus 2 ions, number of Sr plus 2 ions is equal to, first you take it in moles. 10 power minus 3 mole percentage means 10 power minus 3 by 100, or 100 is equal to 10 square. If we bring it to numerator, then what happens? 10 square becomes 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 5 moles. Okay, so if mole percentage given, then we have to calculate moles like this, and that is equal to 10 power minus 5 into 1 mole means Avogadro's number of particles. So 6.023 into 10 power 23 ions. Number of ions will be like that. Okay. So number of Sr plus 2 ions is equal to 10 power minus 5 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 ions. Okay. Therefore, as number of Sr plus 2 ions is equal to number of vacancies. Number of vacancies. So number of number of vacancies is equal to, number of vacancies is equal to, so 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, that is 10 power 18. 10 power 18. Number of vacancies is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 18. So number of vacancies formed is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 18. Okay. Next, so this is about impurity defect. Next one, in stoichiometric defect. What is a stoichiometric compound? What is a stoichiometric compound? Stoichiometric compound. A stoichiometric compound is one which contains the number of ions as is mentioned by the formula. So a compound which contains same ratio of atoms of different elements, same ratio of atoms of different elements as is mentioned by the formula, as is mentioned by the formula, okay, is called stoichiometric compound. Is called a stoichiometric compound. So that is stoichiometric compound, right? For example, what is the formula of NaCl? What is the formula of sodium chloride? The formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. The formula of sodium chloride is equal to NaCl. That means in formula one Na and one Cl is present. That means the ions of Na plus and Cl minus will be in 1:1 ratio. If Na plus ions are present, 5 Na plus ions are present, 5 Cl minus ions should be present. Okay, so then it is called a stoichiometric compound, right? So that is about stoichiometric compound. Here stoichiometric defects are divided into 4 types. In ionic compounds, we observe 2 types of defects. They are Schottky defect and Frenkel defect. Schottky defect and Frenkel defect. It is an important question that is to be given in IPE exam for 4 marks. Okay, so most of times it was given. Okay, write the differences between Schottky defect and Frenkel defect. Okay, Schottky defect. Schottky defect and Frenkel defect. Frenkel defect. Right? So, take a compound like this. Positive ion, negative ion, positive ion, negative ion. Negative ion, positive ion, negative ion, positive ion. Positive ion, negative ion, positive ion, negative ion. If equal number of cations and anions miss from the crystal, then it is called a Schottky defect. So, equal number of cations and anions. Equal number of cations and anions escape from the crystal. Escape from the crystal. Okay. If we take a Frenkel defect, in Frenkel defect, say ions are arranged like this. Okay. Say ions are arranged like this. If cations miss from the lattice point and enter into interstitial space, then it is called a Frenkel defect. Only cations miss from the lattice point, but not anions, because cations will have less size when compared to the anions. So cations enter into interstitial spaces. Okay. Interstitial spaces. Next, second one. Here both cation and anion are missing from the crystal. Equal number of cations and anions escape from the crystal. So, number of cations and number of anions are missing. That means mass of the crystal decreases. Density is equal to mass by volume. So, density is directly proportional to mass. As mass decreases, density also decreases. So, density decreases. Here, the cations not escape from the crystal. They enter from lattice points to interstitial space. Okay, they are not missing from the crystal. That means mass does not change. If mass does not change, density also does not change. Density does not change. Density does not change. Okay. In which compounds this Schottky defect is observed? It is observed in the compounds. It is observed in the compounds. In which RC by RA, radius of cation by radius of anion is almost equal to 1. That means radius of cation is equal to radius of anion. Next, it is observed in the compounds. It is observed in the compounds in which radius of cation by radius of anion not equal to 1. That means there should be much difference between radius of cation and radius of anion. Okay. So the difference between the radius of cation and radius of anion should be more. Next one. It is observed in the compounds. It is observed in the compounds whose coordination number is 6 6 or 8, whose coordination number is 6 or 8. Next, it is observed in the compounds. It is observed in the compounds in which coordination number is 4 or less than 4. Of course, sometimes if coordination number is 6, in some compounds, if coordination number is 6, then also Frenkel defect is observed. Of course, it is a slight deviation. Right? Next, if we observe the examples for Schottky defect and Frenkel defect. Okay, so here the NaCl, KCl, CSCl, okay, AgBr, etc. AgBr, silver bromide. In the same way, here examples for the Frenkel defect. Examples for Frenkel defect. Okay, ZNS, zinc sulfide, AgCl, AgBr, AgI. So, in AgBr, both Schottky defect and Frenkel defect is observed. So, this is an important bit that is to be given in MCET or NEET. Okay, which of the following compound shows both Schottky defect and Frenkel defect? Okay, we have to find the AgBr in the given options. That is more important. Why AgBr shows both Schottky defect and Frenkel defect? Okay, this will be discussed now. Why AgBr shows both Schottky and Frenkel defect. Schottky and Frenkel defect. Of course, it shows Schottky defect because both Ag plus ions and Br minus ions escape in equal number from the crystal. So it shows Schottky defect. Then why it shows Frenkel defect? Radius of Ag plus by radius of Br minus. If we take this value, that value is equal to 0.71. And we know that if the radius ratio R A by or R large by R small is equal to 0.2252